What's up, guys? It's your girl Taija G, and I'm here today with another cooking video. I am making some fried chicken wings. Yum, 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 y'all. As you can see, I have already cleaned them and pre-seasoned them. I used some OLAY seasoning, lemon pepper, yes, and some garlic salt, right? Is that what we used? Okay, thank you. So I'm going to go ahead and re-season them just a little bit, and then I'm going to add them to my oil. So, yeah. Let's go ahead and put them in the oil. Alright guys, so my first batch is finished. I'm going to make half wet and half dry, so I'm going to go ahead and put my sauce on right now. Just butter and lemon pepper and water. I want to make 4 dry and 3 wet. Dry and wet. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please come back again. I'll be making something next. Just let me know what you want me to make. So that is all. Love you all to the moon and back. Bye.